quick intro guide and sizing to our standard and wide fuse box cover. So our unique front panel and door design makes it very simple to use. So if you need to get to your fuse panel, you simply lift off the cover and you can get to the fuse board which is inside. So to replace the front panel, you just simply put on and drop into place, and it holds nice and secure there. These are the sizes for our standard fuse box cover. So if we stand that up, and I want everyone to see the back now. We don't want you to have any fitting problems or dimension problems, so we're going to make sure it's very clear, and I hope you can understand. So the external dimensions are obviously slightly bigger than the fuse box it will cover due to this folded return at the back, and this is where you would fix it onto your wall. So the maximum width here is 38 centimeters, 380 millimeters, 15 inches. The height is 260 millimeters, which is 26 centimeters, 10 inches and a quarter. The maximum depth of fuse box it will cover 13 centimeters, 130 millimeters, which is just over 5 inches. These are the sizes for our wide fuse box cover, and the width is 45 centimeters, which is 450 millimeters, just under 18 inches, and the height 23.5 centimeters or 235 millimeters, and the depth 13 centimeters, just about 5 inches. So I'll just quickly come into our kitchen and break room, and you can see our Wilex fuse board there. So I'm just going to show you how it fits. So we're going to take this, you can see the folded return on the back. So we're just going to put that over and you can screw that to the wall. But on this, for instance, for example, we can just hang that on there. So we do it in 2 standard sizes and also a custom size option on our website. Thanks for watching, and remember, we manufacture these proudly in the United Kingdom.